You are going to love the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.